Now it's a smart key lock because right at the keyway, see that right there, that's the little slot to rekey it. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to rekey it. So basically, put it to the horizontal position, take your reset tool, hear the click. I didn't hear the click. Let's see if it did take it. I didn't hear a click, but it. And I'll take a key cut that I cut on the code machine. Remember, Kwikset is 1 to 6 is your depths. I put the key in, and we've just reset it. That's the advantage of these locks. And the old key doesn't fit. So to go, we'll go back it one more time. Put the key in. Turn to the horizontal position. Let's see, we hear the click this time. That went in further, but didn't hear a click. Sometimes you hear a click. Pull it out. Don't twist it. Just pull it out. Put the key in. And we rekeyed the lock.